Hey guys, my name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by Godox South Africa. Now if you're looking for new lighting, audio and accessories, you could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So Godox have sent me the FH50R, which is a flexible handheld RGB LED light, as well as the diffusion kits for them, which is the FS50 foldable softbox and the FP50 pancake lantern. So let's take a quick look and see what we have here.
Just a quick note, this video does contain flashing lights, so if you are a photosensitive viewer, this video may not be suitable for you. The Godox FH50R is a flexible and lightweight RGB light panel. It is designed for lighting narrow and irregular spaces and objects. It has 36,000 colors, a color temperature range of 2500 to 10,000 Kelvin, 50 watts of power output, 14 FX lighting effects, and it can be controlled wirelessly via the Godox Light App. It all comes packaged in this high quality carry bag. Here is the flexible RGB panel. The AC to DC adapter. And your adjustable light stand mount. It has two multifunction control buttons and a display screen. At 50 watts, this LED panel is quite bright. Just a quick flexibility test. You can use the LED panel as is, but if you want softer, more flattering light, then you can use the rectangular foldable softbox. Included in the FS50 is an attachable grid and diffusion sheet. The softbox connects to the FH50R via Velcro. And there we go, a neat and incredibly lightweight softbox. Since it uses Velcro, it's incredibly quick to dismantle. And here we have the FP50 pancake lantern. The pancake lantern creates a soft 180 degrees light source, which is perfect for overhead lighting. This lantern also attaches to the FH50 with Velcro straps. You can control the FH50R using the Godox Light App. To get started, you can either create a new project or add to an existing project. Once you start the project, you add a fixture and the light should show up immediately. If not, then you just need to reset the Bluetooth on the light. Each mode is on a new tab. Here we have the CCT mode, so we can adjust the color temperature and intensity. In the HSI tab, we have a 360 degrees color wheel. We also get a quick color picker option. In the RGB mode, we can fine tune the colors. A color picker mode should you want to match a specific scene color. And lastly, we have the FX mode, which features 14 effects. Each effect has adjustment settings, so you can fine tune to get the best effects for your projects.
And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.